Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll look at the account navigation. We'll do an account navigation of the Snapchat ads platform, understanding how the platform looks like and what all features it has to provide. So once you log into your Snapchat Ads Manager account, this is how it is going to look like. As you can see, we are in the home page of Snapchat. On the top left, you can see it says Manage Ads, and this is where you will be able to see an overview of the overall account's performance. So you will be able to see all this data over here. And if you want to see a specific time period, you can just select the time period from here, and you can look at that data as well in this particular way. So now, apart from this, if you scroll down, this is where you will be able to see the campaign's performance, the campaign which is running, and their respective data will be shown right up here. Now, if you want to create a new campaign, then you can just click on plus create campaign, and it will give you the campaign objectives to select from, and you can start the process of campaign creation. Now, on the top left corner, there is Manage Ads. So in Manage Ads, there are multiple other features of this platform which you can make use of. Like, for example, here, Advertise, Create Ads is going to straight away take you into building out a new campaign, which you can do from here. Then Manage Ads, which we saw, which is the main page, the home page, which will get Help Center is also one section, which is the resource material of Snapchat, where you can ask for any information, any query you may have. You can ask for those information right here. Also, under assets, when we come, under assets, there is Events Manager. Events Manager is primarily used for setting up conversion tracking. So when you want to track the sales which you're generating through your Snapchat advertising, that can be set up from Events Manager. There is also audiences. So this is where you can set up your audience targeting. Okay, you can do your custom audience creation, customer lookalike audiences. All those can be set up from audience section. Pixels. So here we can set up the Snapchat pixel primarily, which will be used for tracking conversions. So you can start the process from here. Okay, they will provide you with a specific code, okay, which you will have to paste at the back end of your website, and that can track your sales. Also, there is apps. If you want to connect your Snapchat ads account with other apps which you think might be needed, useful, then you can do that as well. This is primarily for mobile app promotions. You can do that. Also, there is catalogs. So catalogs is primarily when you want to sell product specific ads, product specific advertisements you want to do. Let's say you are an e-commerce brand selling products, then we run catalog ads where these are product ads primarily focusing on generating product sales. Then comes creative. In creative, there is creative library, which is primarily a database where you can store all your ad creatives. Now, these can be images, it can be video ads, all those can stay up over here, okay, which you can then use in your campaigns. Let's say you're planning to build a new campaign. So the first thing which you can do is you can upload all your creatives here, and then you start building out the campaign so that you can quickly access them from here and build it out inside the campaign. There is also lens folders. So lens folders, which you can use as well, primarily for specific ad creatives where you want to use the lens folders to be used. Okay, so this is going to help you create a lens folder where all your business lenses will live. There is also create lens and filters. So this is a tool which is basically a lens web builder, which will help you to create lenses primarily, which is we are using lenses for AR lenses, which you can create. You can create AR filters from scratch in this particular section. Then comes analyze. In analyze, there is audience insights. So audience insights will give you idea about how your audiences are performing. Okay, what type of audiences are working for you, what is not working for you. Then you can also see the Snapchat audiences. Okay, this is primarily the Snapchat audiences which you get to see. Their demographics, the analytics around the Snapchat audiences. Apart from that, you can also see your own audience analytics as well in the audience insights section. There is also reports. So you can build out reports here as well. Okay, so you can create reports based on the campaigns which you're running and then download those reports to analyze the data. So various reports can be built out from this particular segment. Campaign Lab is also another feature. So here you can do a lot of testing or experiment campaigns can be built out. So if you want to test between creatives, audiences, placements, goal specific, so those experiment campaigns can be created from here. Then comes developer camera kit. Okay, so in this particular segment, you have something we call as camera kit, which you can use ideally for creating lenses. Okay, so which will be useful for specifically for creating better ad creatives for the campaign. Apart from this, you also have in the dev section, you have camera kit and developer portal. So this is the Snap developer portal, which is what we are going to use ideally. Over here, you can just accept the agreement. And here you can go ahead and this is primarily an API, okay, application programming interface, which you can use over here. You can invite new members, okay, and you can give some API keys to manage the Snapchat ads account. Then comes under business, there is business dashboard. This is a segment where you can have a Snapchat business manager. A Snapchat business manager is a feature which helps primarily in a situation when, let's say, you are planning to manage multiple Snapchat ads accounts of your clients. So you are an agency and your agency primarily manages multiple Snapchat ads accounts. Then you can create this particular business manager of Snapchat, which will allow you to add new accounts into it. And with the help of that, you will be able to easily manage them, create campaigns in them, run ads for them, do marketing or advertising for them. So that's your manager section. So these are going to be all the sections. You also have billing and payments where you get to see all the billing information of the account, transactions which are happening. You can add new payment methods, all that you can do from the billing and payments. Public profiles. So whichever public profiles you are using right now. So if you start managing Snapchat ads accounts for your clients, you would need to have their public profile also added so that you can manage them seamlessly. Lens Creator Marketplace is also another feature which they have created, which is specifically a marketplace for lens creators, people who are building different types of lenses. You can search for a creator over here in a specific category to get some ideas in this particular manner. So these are all the features which you will get on the Snapchat ads platform for using them when you're building out various campaigns for your business. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand and are comfortable with the UI, the interface of Snapchat ads. In the coming videos, we'll start looking at building out various campaigns to understand how you can create campaigns, run ads on this platform.